remove the all wood and the side aluminum track. Everything was damaged and the curve, like that. So we decide to remove everything here from the deck. That will be the last piece. I need to remove the screws and the bolts there, but all this wood was in a really rough shape. So like you can see here, everything is bad shape. So now I need to sand everything and fill the holes. So that's the first thing, just to prevent the water to come in. This is what I need. This is what I get. Now that's for now finished that I need before I start filling the holes. Yeah, okay, see you later. I sand and I open all cracks on a deck, all of them. So a lot of cracks in this area here. I have issues. I have wet under, so I have two options: to drill and try to dry out, or to cut it off and raise everything and try to fix. So we will see. For now I'm trying to fix all small cracks. Any cracks that I notice, I cut it off, I open. Now we will patch everything. So that's for today. See, now I need to fill and then drill and fill more, and but I'm happy with this. This will be cool. And later I want to remove this manufacturing, the non-skid, and then we will go with a I don't know what's the name of that company now. Anyway, it's easy to apply, but I want to sand all this, put the primer, sand, fill, put the primer, and then fill with go with a non-skid that is easily fixable, and it's good, easy to apply, easy to fix if you need, and it's not, you can notice did you have some repairs or you didn't. See you guys. Evo nas, idemo u bolnicu. Elica ima operacije, sad ćemo to da stavimo na Facebook, nemoj da se ljutiš. Važi?
Nema ljuti.
Hoću.
Ja.
Hoću.
Samo nam je.
Ajde. Aj. We're going on, yeah. Jesse, jel? Ja nas idemo u lift. Idemo u lift. Evo ga lift. Svuda ne smijemo. Pa šta fali? Šta nas briga, čekamo lift sada. Stainless steel. Da. Znači, ja kad se oporavimo od ovog stranja, šta ćemo? Idemo da jedrimo. Zatvaramo sve, firmu, sve zatvaramo, idemo. Dosta je bilo zajebanci. Jel bebo?
Dosta je bilo.
Idemo na Bahame. Onda idemo da obiđemo Karibe. Idemo... Gde onda idemo?
Ne.
Onda idemo u Mediteran, idemo za Crnu Goru. Popijemo kafu, pa onda bežimo za Grčku. Ništa, mi idemo sada. Penjemo se. Evo nas, penjemo se. ona ima u 10-15, za 10 minuta počinju da je skidaju, da je jebu kevu. Aj, čao. Imamo sve. I don't know. Sign. I would love to have more.
Okay, let me know if you need any.
I need one sandwich.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
Is he always so needy?
Yeah.
If I'd have known that, I'd have left him out in the car. Jenna, I'm sorry you picked him up.
Why?
No, I'm teasing.
I'm so positive.
You are very positive.
Sometimes.
Yeah, you're very positive. But I have to tease you because you're
Yeah.
positive, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
You're out.
What are you doing, Carm?
So I can listen music.
There you go.
Okay. What do you have to say?
you don't record, please. Bye.
Bye. So, I'm telling you, we're going sailing. So this is just temporary. We're going sailing. But
Okay. Let's do it.
let's do it. Sell the house,
Okay, my purse is there.
rent the house.
Yeah.
Huh?
You take my purse.
Yeah, sure.
It's in the back.
So, okay.
Love you.
Love you too. Look who's coming. Look, my girl in a truck or.
Okay. Now, what is that?
Hey, Ella, what's up? Okay, that's tank. That's check. Green. 2. Okay, that will be. Huh?